my name is Kyle May, and I will be teaching you how to run a soundboard. Now, soundboards can make big money because bands love to hire sound techs for the concerts. Okay, first off, you have to turn the soundboard on, which is usually a switch or a button on the soundboard. First thing you need for soundboard is a sound source. This is usually a microphone, or it can be a piano or organ. Now, to set up a microphone, you need a microphone, a cable, and an outlet source. Now, first take the male end of the cable and plug it into your outlet source. Then, you take your female end and plug it into the microphone. And then you should be able to get sound from the microphone. Now, also there are such things called wireless mics. Now, to install these are pretty easy. You have your receiver up on top of the sanctuary. You have your mic. All you need to do for these is put the battery into its correct position. Put the cap on, and turn it on, and it works. Now that you have your mic set up, you need to learn your board. Now there's usually two levels separated from all the other levels. These are your house speakers. Now, house speakers control what everyone hears in the auditorium and or audience. Now, there are multiple levels in which you hook in your inputs from the mics. Now, once that mic is plugged in, you have your certain level for it. You turn it up, and you turn it down to turn it down. You have to have the levels of the house turned up with the level for that individual person turned up to get sound. This will control the level no matter what the level is set at. It can be turned up all the way, but if the gain is down, you will not hear a thing. These are very important because if you turn up a gain and turn down a level, it's going to create feedback. And that will be the worst thing that can happen when you're at sound. Now, gains can be tricky because if they're turned up too loud, you get an overpowering sound and it's just not worthy to hear. But if you set it just right, they should be able to be heard clearly, but not overpowering. Okay, now, a lot of churches like to make CDs of the service. So you need a recording player. Usually it's nice to have a DVD player along with it. Now, to plug this into the board, you need AV cords. They're very expensive, but well, so is running a soundboard. So, in order to do this, you need to have it into the right input back here. It needs to be plugged in to one of these input cables. You need to have the AV cables running into your recording system. You need to have a CD in there, and you have to have it on the right input, or else you will get no sound. Now, it's pretty basic after this. You press the record button to record it, press the stop button, and hold the stop button to close the disc. Now, this is very important if you're going to be a good sound person, because these have to be plugged in, this has to record to even cut just basic standards. So, I hope this helped you learn anything about soundboard, and I hope that you can actually use these skills to your advantage. Good luck, and happy soundboarding.